figured out what spot I'm gonna go to. I'm hunting a bed is all I'm doing, and it's probably not the smartest idea considering that they might be in it, but I'm not getting up in it. I'm getting about 200 yards from it, so I'm hoping I catch them coming from it going to feed by you know, a little bit later this afternoon, but it's already like 5 o'clock, so I gotta go. So I'll see y'all on the tree. Alright, I just got set up in the tree. It's a pretty good little spot, I think, other than the neighbor decided to start slinging chicken crap all over the fields. So, that's good. I'm sitting under a really hot pin oak. I've come to find out there's a bunch of them on this property, but there's a lot of feeding sign under it. And this hasn't been hunted yet this year, so let's see if it works out on this afternoon. So I'm out here shooting my bow a little bit, trying to get some practice in before we leave for our trip in Illinois. But opening day of rifle starts tomorrow, which is one of my favorite times of the year by far. I'm going in on a solo hunt. The guys have got to work, so I'm gonna pick up the slack a little bit on my end. I'm gonna hunt the same spot I hunted opening day of bow this year, where I seen that really good deer. I've kept the pressure completely off of that place since then, other than checking my camera a couple of times. He has been back in there several times since then. It's a transition from pretty much feeding to bed is all it is. It runs along a huge creek. It's practically just a swamp is what I'm hunting. So we will see y'all in the morning. Well, I'm late. Doesn't surprise me. I just kept hitting my snooze button on my phone. It's like 7 o'clock. It's breaking daylight now almost. But I'm flying to the property. Thank goodness that I only live 30 seconds from it, just about. So I'm gonna fly here, grab all my junk, and take off to a tree, because I'm kind of expecting these bucks to come super early. And guess what? I freaking slept in. So anyway, all right, I'll see you at the tree. All right, I just got set up. I don't think I spooked anything coming in here. I tried to be pretty easy. It's why it's after daylight now, but it's a good morning. There's no wind. It's cooler. So please, let's just see what happens.
I see a good doe this morning, there's a chance I'm gonna shoot it. I need some jerky for my Illinois trip. But seems like it's gonna be a good morning. It's dead calm. The woods are alive, man. It's a beautiful morning. So I might have could have squeezed off a shot at one point, but the camera wasn't on it, so I wasn't. It ain't worth it to me. I just had 2 more come in from the ridge in front of me. And they just end up walking the side of it, which is too thick. Where I'm sitting at, it's about 80 yards. I had a doe blow behind her. I had something blow behind me about 5 minutes prior to them coming out, so they're already a little spooky. But I didn't plan on anything coming from behind me, but it's just the nature of the beast. They're all definitely on their feet. Maybe we'll have some more opportunities to see some deer. I don't know if I got those on camera or not. It was so thick and I couldn't quite pinpoint where they were at. Well, it's about 11 o'clock and I've got to go get Cobra. So I ended up seeing 4. I had that one blow behind me. And I really didn't think anything would come from that way, but that's usually how it goes. Go ahead and get down, and we will see y'all on the next one. Well, good morning, guys. It's October 28th. It's almost 8 o'clock. It just now got good daylight outside. We got Papa with us this morning. About 8:30. Got Papa with us this morning, and we're hunting the food plot in this little ground line. I don't know how good you can see us. I like my tree stand down yonder and just climb up in it. He don't like to walk, but we did have a full moon last night, so I don't know how bad that's gonna affect anything. But you can't kill him on the couch, so we gonna give her a try. Ain't that right? Exactly. It's the first time I found I could do win. Feels good though, don't it? Huh? I said feels good. It is feeling out. No, yeah, I'm saying it feels good. Yeah, we're gonna kill one here in a little bit. I sure do hope so. It may be time, but we'll kill something. Well, I would have brought that bottle of vodka I had at the house. We're gonna sit back and get quiet and see if we can see anything, so we'll get back with you in a little bit. Say nothing but a bunch of squirrels. So we just had what was that, a river otter? What was that? Do what? What was that? What? River otter. Huh? What was that? An otter? I don't know what it was. I tried to get the camera on it. When I first seen it, I thought, my God, what a squirrel. I tried to get the camera on as fast as I could, but it zipped right through here. But it's about 8:30. We've heard a couple shots this morning. What he's hoping it's gonna be. I don't really know where it come from. I just seen it. Oh yeah. I was hoping it's gonna be either Trent or Lauren. Ethan brought his wife out this I'm sorry, a little after 9:30. But we didn't end up seeing anything this morning. Which we are getting out kind of early, but Papa said he's had enough.
Alright guys, it is 7:21. We're running a little behind. It's October 28th, weekend before Halloween. This is my wife Lauren. We're going in here this morning to hopefully get her first deer. So anything that walks out, if it's brown, it's down this morning. So hopefully she kills something. She don't want to kill nothing but a buck, but her adrenaline's going to start running. She's going to shoot anything that walks out. But, got anything to say?
No.
Well, Trent's right now behind the camera. He's going to be sitting right here at the front of the property. Trey and his papa are going to be sitting in the food plot. We're going to the back to a ladder stand we got on a row bed. So, I guess we'll pick y'all up when we get there.
Good luck.
Well, it is 11:45. We ended up not seeing anything. I don't know if Trent saw anything. I've texted him probably 5 times and he hadn't responded, but you don't have service, so I assume he's still in the tree. But Lauren, she just woke up. We got down about 10:30 and she lay down on the ground and has been asleep since 10:30 after she slept in a stand for about an hour and a half. So we're gonna walk down here and see if Trent ended up seeing anything, and I guess we'll pick you back up when we get down there.
Alright, I just got in the tree. Well, I've been in it for a minute now. I just didn't have camera light. I'm in the same spot I was in last Saturday when I seen those doves. Hoping that maybe I set up on it different this time. I went on the opposite side of what I said last time because I got busted last Saturday from behind me. Ethan's got Lauren up on the top trying to get her first deer. And then Trey's got his grandfather down in the food plot. So there's quite a few of us out in the woods this morning. Let's see if we can get something done or do. It's been a full moon and it's kind of warm, so that kind of brings me down a little bit, but it's still late October, so anything can happen. Alright, well, it's been a little bit since I seen that last deer. I go ahead and ease down, head out of here. Ended up being a pretty good morning. It was a slow, early morning though, which I should have known that the deer wasn't going to start moving until after 10 o'clock with a full moon like that. But let's get back to the rest of the crew and see if they've had any luck this morning. I didn't hear no gunshot, so it couldn't have been too lucky.